Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting your PS4 console to charge your controllers in rest mode. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Power Save Settings. Now select Set Features Available in Rest Mode. In Rest Mode settings, select Supply Power to USB ports. You can choose between Always or Off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.